The Gauri and Ganesh are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses equally. Following is the balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. Creditors 20,000, bills payable 4,000, general reserve 6,000, capitals Gauri 80,000, Ganesh 40,000, 1,20,000. Totally 1,50,000 on the liability side. Cash in hand 7,000, stock 25,000, buildings 40,000, debtors inner column 17,000, less PDD 15,000. Totally 1,500. Total outer column 15,500. Furniture 14,500, patents 30,000, machinery 18,000. On 1/4/2017, Shiva is admitted into the partnership on the following terms. Shiva should bring rupees 25,000 as capital. Goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 16,000. Stock is to be increased by 8%. And provision for doubtful debts is increased to 2,600. So capitals of the partners are to be adjusted in the new profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2:1. Based on Shiva's capital, adjustments are to be made in cash. So working notes. So calculation of capital balances, capitals of the new firm. So here Shiva for share 1 is equal to rupees 25,000. So for share 1, rupees 25,000. So coming to the Gauri, for share 3 is equal to 25,000 for share 1 into 3, that is 75,000 of Gauri capital for the new firm. Ganesh for share 2, 25,000 into 2, that is 50,000. So, new firm capitals is equal to Gauri 75,000, Ganesh 50,000, Shiva as usual, Shiva 25,000. So now, revaluation account. So go one by one, adjustments are there. So goodwill of stock is to be increased by 8% by stock account. So stock value is 25,000 into 8 by 100. So 2,000. Next, provision for doubtful debts to PDD increased to 2,600 minus 1,500, that is 1,100. So credit side is 2,000, debit side is only 1,100 to partner's capital account. Gauri, Ganesh, 900 into 1 by 2 equal partners, 450, 450, 900, overall 2,000, 2,000. No other adjustments, only two adjustments are there, stock and PDD. And important here, cash adjustments. So now, partners capital account. Particulars, Gauri, Ganesh, Shiva, Gauri, Ganesh and Shiva. By balance brought down, capital balances. $80,000, 40,000 dash by cash account, 25,000 by revaluation account, by revaluation account 450, 450 for the old partners only, by reserve 6,000 is there, 6,000 in 1:1, 3,000, 3,000, reserve 3,000, 3,000, goodwill equal partners are there, old profit sharing ratio in 1:1, 8,000, 8,000. So two balance brought down, new capital balances based on the Shiva's capital for one share 25,000, two share 50,000, three share 75,000. So now say 25,000, here 51,000, 450, here 91,000, 450. So cash account, payment, cash account, See 91,450 minus 75,000. So here 16,450, 16,450, 51,450 minus 50,000, 1,450. So dash. So 91,450, 51,450 and 25,000. Now the last one, balance sheet. Say first, creditors. Creditors 20,000. Bills payable 4,000. No more adjustments. Capitals. Gauri, Ganesh, Shiva. 75,000, 50,000, 25,000, 1,50,000. Cash in hand. $7,000. Add Shiva capital 32,000 less Gauri and Ganesh capital, that is 16,000 16,450 plus 1,450, 17,900. 100 for 14,100 is the cash balance. After that, stock 25,000 less 8%. Sorry, add 8%, 2,000, 27,000. Next, buildings. $40,000. Next, debtors. 70,000 less PDD, old plus new, 1,500 plus 1,100, 2,600, 14,400. Furniture 14,500. Patents 30,000. Plant and machinery 18,000. 16,000. So 1,74,000. 1,74,000. 1,74,000 and 1,74,000. With this, I want to conclude the third chapter.